वेलकम टू बाइकर सेट। और आज मैं आ गया हूँ आपके लिए एक और नई वीडियो लेके, अपना लॉन्ग टर्म रिव्यू अपनी इस खूबसूरत सी बाइक का। ये हमारी खूबसूरत सी बाइक जो आपको दिखाई पड़ रही है, और आज आपको बताऊंगा कि इसके अंदर क्या क्या स्पेशलिटीज़ हैं एंड व्हाई डिड आई चूज ड्यूक ओवर अदर बाइक्स विच आर देयर विच इज़ अराउंड 400। हाँ, तो हम आ गए हैं एक और नई जगह पे। मैंने सोचा कि थोड़ी सी नई जगह पे आपको, थोड़ी सी ठीक ठाक जगह पे आपको ले चलूँ और वहाँ पे इत्मीनान से बताऊँ। ऑल्दो यहाँ बगल में हाईवे है तो हल्का फुल्का शोर आ रहा होगा, बट फॉरगिव मी फॉर दैट। लेकिन आज आपको कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बातें बताऊँगा इस लॉन्ग टर्म रिव्यू में, तो बने रहिए मेरे साथ। और आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया चैनल को तो बिल्कुल सब्सक्राइब करिए, बिकॉज यू नो लॉट मोर कंटेंट्स आर कमिंग। अभी एक नई सीरीज आने वाली है, दैट इज लॉन्ग ट्रैवलिंग सीरीज, एंड दैट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्क्लोज राइट नाउ, आई विल डिस्क्लोज इट लेटर ऑन, बट आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू सब्सक्राइब फॉर श्योर। तो मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा सबसे पहले इसके नेगेटिव्स के बारे में, और फिर बताऊँगा इसके पॉजिटिव्स के बारे में। इसके कुछ छोटे मोटे नेगेटिव्स हैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन नॉट ड्राइव इट एट स्लो स्पीड्स, सो इट्स प्रैक्टिकली नॉट फॉर बम्पर टू बम्पर ट्रैफिक। जो इसका सेकेंड नेगेटिव है, दैट इज यू नीड टू स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन पेट्रोल, गिव्स यू काइंड ऑफ माइलेज विच इज अराउंड 17 to 22 or 23 kilometers per liter, which is fairly less, and probably if you are a traveler, regular traveler, you're going to spend a lot of money on traveling, because petrol expenditures will definitely increase. The third negative that this bike has is this is something which is an eye catcher. If you take it to a place, there will be a lot of people who are going to stand up taking their selfies or something. That would definitely make this stand loose. So that will be another problem. जो इसकी चौथी problem है, the fourth problem that this bike has is this handle screws. Now when you need to travel, and if you are traveling continuously on rocky surfaces which are uneven, then this handle is going to loosen, and this is something which is going to be a problem sometimes for you. However, it doesn't take a lot of time and a lot of effort to tighten. The fifth negative that it has, a lot of Duke 390 owners have also complained that these mirrors that it has, these would not give you a good field of view behind you. So when you're riding, you won't be able to see a lot of things behind you. However, as the time passes by, people try to adjust it. The sixth negative that this bike has is, the maintenance cost. Tires are very, very costly. So in 10,000 kilometers approximately, or maybe 12,000 kilometers, you have to change both the tires. The front tires will cost you around 4,500, and the rear tires will cost you around 5,000 to 6,000. So that makes it around 11,000. Okay, and that is after every 10,000 kilometers. So that means 1 rupee per kilometer is the tire cost, and then if you calculate mathematically, you will find the petrol cost as written. It will be printed somewhere here on the screen. Okay, so approximately 4 to 5 rupee a kilometer becomes a cost for riding this vehicle, and I think this is slightly more. Probably you can have some vehicles which are very good, but that will give you pretty decent average. For example, there is a vehicle in Bajaj stable, and that is Dominar 400, which is a very nice substitute. इसके कुछ और negatives भी हैं जिसके बारे में मैं आपको ज़रूर बताना चाहूँगा। एक है कि when you are riding for a long period of time, suppose if you are riding in rocky terrain, at that time this headlight becomes loose. So you actually need to keep track of that particular thing, otherwise this bolt will come out and that will create a problem. जैसे मैं एक ट्रिप पे गया था अभी, स्पीति वाले ट्रिप पे, एंड आफ्टर आई केम बैक आई फाउंड दैट दिस स्क्रू इनसाइड दिस वाज मिसिंग, and I had to buy another one and it was, you know, quite troublesome and irksome also, because if you are spending so much of money, most of the people are going to say that it's far less than a super bike. But then I would say for normal Indian consumers or customers, bike customers specifically, those who are spending 1 lakh, 150, around 2 lakh rupees, if they are spending 3 lakh, 10,000, 15,000 or so, they would expect better returns from their motorcycle, and they would not want these kind of things happening to their motorcycle for sure. Okay, तो काफ़ी सारे बातें तो कर ली हमने इसकी नेगेटिव्स की, इसकी पॉजिटिव्स की भी बातें करनी ज़रूरी है. इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट for me to talk about the positives, because without talking about the positives, this long term review will become incomplete for sure. तो अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ इसके positives क्या क्या है. तो थोड़ा सा एंगल बदलते हैं और बढ़िया से बैठते हैं इस अच्छे से रॉकी माउंटेन पे, रॉकी सरफेस पे, रादर नॉट रॉकी माउंटेन, रॉकी सरफेस पे, और आपको बताता हूँ कि इसके पॉजिटिव्स क्या है. द फर्स्ट पॉजिटिव ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर मोटरसाइकिल इज इट हैज़ इमेंस पावर. कहीं आ रहा होगा आसपास में लिखा हुआ. सो इट हैज़ ह्यूज पावर अवेलेबल. सो वेयर एवर यू आर गोइंग you would not feel the need for more power anywhere. However, if you're riding on highways, if you are an enthusiast and sometimes you want your vehicle to go to very high speeds, for example 200 km per hour, then this bike won't go there. Although the claimed speed is around 178 to 180 per hour, but then in practical life when you are riding it, even after riding hard, it will go around 160, 162, 3 with a pillion. So this speed is something which is achievable. So if you are looking for a bike which can take you around 200 km per hour or more, this is not the bike. But then if you want a good bike with good power that will deliver in almost all kind of conditions, which is tried and tested, this bike is for you. This bike has some more positives, and these positives are out of the showroom. Take it out and ride it as hard as possible, and this bike will never ditch you. If you are going on long trips, you can slightly modify things, and then probably this bike will help you, and you would not have any kind of problem whatsoever during your ride. And the next positive about this bike is its headlight. It is going to illumine the whole road. You won't have any problem. However, if you are looking for more light than that, and if you are a regular highway rider, then probably you can have some auxiliary light setup, like you can see here in this particular bike. I have it, and this can illumine. Although you need not spend a lot of money on Denelis and all, probably you can buy a generic one which is going to be around 1000 or 1500 rupees, in between that price bracket, and then you would be able to see the whole road clearly illumined even at night, and you would not have any problem whatsoever. The next positive is the electronics of this bike. It is always going to work, and it will never create a problem for you. There are a lot of people who have complained that this bike, it shuts down on the road, and sometimes people have problem because of heating issues and all. ये negative भी था, that it has a lot of heating issues. Sometimes your boots are going to burn. It will appear as if it will burn. It is not, definitely. But if you are not wearing boots, then you will definitely feel the heat. But what I have noticed, even after riding it very hard for very long distance, that means almost around 200 kilometers on a stretch, I did not face this heating issue, and my bike did not stop anywhere. So I believe that, you know, those people must not be riding it in the right manner, or probably they are not keeping their bike in good shape, which is required. You know, if you are buying a bike of this size and this capability, you actually need to take care of the bike. You need to love your bike. You know, you can easily see it's almost 2 years later. I have ridden around 20,000 kilometers, 15,000 something kilometers. Okay, but even after this bike will appear to be new. It is because I take very good care of it. And one more interesting thing that it has, that it's you know, a lot of people sometimes say that its shockers leak, but then fortunately I have not faced this problem even till now. And even after riding it for almost 10-15,000 kilometers, I haven't repaired the shockers. The only thing is, when you have upside down forks, at that time you need to clean it regularly. So it's like if you are riding it for maybe 500 kilometers or 1000 kilometers, have a piece of cloth, clean the shockers, you know, on the way, wherever it is possible, so that dust does not gather on the seal, and your shockers will become immortal. Not immortal basically, but then definitely these are not going to leak as easily as, you know, some of the people have complained. There are other positives also of this bike. This looks fantastic. Even after, you know, 5-6 years of its initial period when it was launched in India, even after this 5-6 years, this bike is a style statement. This bike is a very capable performer. This bike, you know, can do almost can tackle almost all kind of terrains. This bike is a heartthrob of thousands of people, and in that manner somewhere this bike has proved its potential, and that is why it is one of the most loved premium bike in India. क्या है वर्डिक्ट? मेरे हिसाब से इट्स अ ग्रेट बाइक फॉर श्योर. और इफ यू आर लुकिंग टू बाय अ ड्यूक 390, you can go for it. However, there are, you know, if you are somebody who want slightly less costly proposition for yourself, then probably you can go into the 250cc segment, which is going to be a pretty nice segment. उनमें से एक बाइक का वीडियो आपको मिलेगा बहुत ही जल्दी. That is, I won't disclose the name of that bike. यदि आप अभी तक देख रहे हैं और आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो बिल्कुल सब्सक्राइब करिए. If you love bikes and if you love riding, then this is the right place where you'll have a lot of reviews coming up. At the same time, you know, there are some wonderful trips coming up as well. So do subscribe. तो मिलते हैं आपसे इसी तरह के एक और नए वीडियो में. अगली वीडियो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ट्रिप की होगी. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि एक बाइक का रिव्यू करूं. देखेंगे कौन सी वीडियो आती है पहले. बट देन जो भी करेंगे, दैट वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी वन हेक ऑफ अ वीडियो. यू आर श्योरली गोइंग टू लव इट. तो आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही, और मिलते हैं आपसे नए वीडियो में कुछ नए खूबसूरत कंटेंट के साथ. देखिए शानदार नज़ारा और ये आकाश में उड़ने वाले पंछी, और एंजॉय करिए.